watching The Invisible. In this video I will show you 12 surprising facts you may not know about India. So let's begin. India introduced shampoo to the world. Among the numerous fascinating facts about India, this one stands out the most. Locals in India were the first to utilize shampoo. Hair was washed with dried Indian gooseberry blended with a variety of other herbs, a recipe that is still practiced in the country today. The word shampoo comes from the Hindi word champo, which means to wash. The earliest diamond in the world was mined in India. It is thought that the first diamond was discovered and mined in India, among vast alluvial deposits of the stone on the banks of the Krishna and Godavari rivers. India has also produced some of the world's largest diamonds. The highest cricket ground can be found here. Another interesting fact about India is that the Chail cricket ground in Chail, Himachal Pradesh, is the world's highest cricket ground. It is located at an altitude of 2,444 meters and is part of the famed Chail Military School, which was erected in the 19th century. India took part in the discovery of water on the moon. Indians take satisfaction in reminiscing about this fact. India found for the first time that there is water on the moon. Using a moon mineralogy mapper, the Chandrayaan-1 lunar mission of the Indian Space Research Organisation discovered water. The first ever rocket launched from India. The first Indian rocket was so light and compact that it was brought to the Thumba launching station in Tiruvananthapuram, Kerala, on a bicycle. The woman nicknamed the Human Calculator is from India. Shakuntala Devi of Bengaluru, India, made the Guinness Book of World Records in 1982 when she multiplied two 13-digit integers in 28 seconds and produced the correct solution. The Human Calculator was suitably named after the brilliant mental calculator. Freddie Mercury and Sir Ben Kingsley have Indian grandparents. Farokh Bulsara was the Parsi name of the legendary singer Freddie Mercury of the British band Queen. Sir Ben Kingsley, an acclaimed actor, is the son of Rahimtullah Harji Banji and Annalina Mary. His birth name is Krishna Pandit Banji. India sets up a voting poll booth for one. During elections, India sets up a single-person voting station in the Gir forest. Mr. Mahant Bharatas Darshandas has been voting in a polling booth designed specifically for him since 2004. It was the first country to produce sugar. India has been producing sugar since ancient times. People in the Indian subcontinent were the first to discover the use of sugarcane and its properties in medicine and food. It is home to a floating post office. India has the most post offices per capita in the world. As if India wasn't already exclusive enough, the Indian state of Kashmir has a floating post office on a boat. The post office is located on the famed and gorgeous Dal Lake, a popular tourist destination in Kashmir, and the floating post office adds to its uniqueness. It has a village called Snapdeal.com Nagar. After Snapdeal.com, the e-commerce company, erected 15 hand pumps in Shiv Nagar hamlet in Muzaffarnagar, Uttar Pradesh. The village was renamed Snapdeal.com Nagar, so that the locals wouldn't have to go for miles to obtain water. Snapdeal's logo is plastered all around the village. It is the wettest inhabited place in the world. In 1985, a village called Mawsynram in the state of Meghalaya got 26,000 millimeters of rain, earning it the distinction of wettest location on Earth. This small village, nestled in the gorgeous Khasi Hills in northeast India, doesn't have much to offer visitors other than rain. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more such informative content. Thank you once again.